Hi, this is the OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So let's first open the Muviz Edge application. In AOD section, select one from the available tabs. Click to apply. Tap to backgrounds if you wanna add them or just to change your currently background, so you could just swipe to the up or to the down to apply them. In music control section, we could hide the backgrounds after 10 seconds, so just to don't hide them. We could activate and turn off the notifications to show the data with the help of the switchers. And battery status, we could show it always while it was charging or to don't show it. Let's go back, tap to the 6 icons which added to the settings. Click to always on display, and here you'll see show on screen lock. Always while charging on music, we could use this option separately or together. We could decrease and increase the brightness level from 30 to 100% to change AOD tone mode from 5 seconds to never, to show low power after timeout, to change the screen orientation, to close it on by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint and screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, and to use it in the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our OUKITEL phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.